To know what it's like to be in the whale crew. Oh, we're cashing the longs. Cashing the longs, baby. You can say what you want, but you can't get it on. We getting it on. We shorted the top up here, closed down here, long right here, closed up here. And that's about it, folks. That's all you need to know. Even when your boy goes out for a night and comes back home, we get it on. And that's all we have to say. We get it almost every day. Besides when I need to sleep or when I gotta find piece of meat. Darla, what you think about that, baby? Darla.